Bangladesh, the land of 6 seasons, is famous for its natural resources and beauty. Historically, we have a profound partnership with nature, which is reflected in our culture and work, including textiles. Starting from the caring needlework to the handlooms or the spinning wheels, from past to the present, regardless of the region, ours is a land of weavers. The exquisite woven textiles of our land are hailed as some of the most prized contribution to the rich textile heritage of the world. Starting with our once lost and later resurrected pride, Dhakai muslin, so fine that yards of this fabric could pass through a ringlet. A fabric that was once worn by the Mughal emperors, adored by the royalties across the world like Marie Antoinette and the esteemed author Jane Austen. Or the 6 yards of Jamdani sari, light, translucent, and the most popular fabric of Bangladesh. Or the Tangail Taat, woven in hand-drawn looms. Silks like Tasar, Endi, Motka, the lesser known but no less impressive fabrics by the tribal weavers, and much more. Between gossips, stories are woven in each embroidery of the Nokshikatha, an art that has lasted centuries through wars, famine, and even the birth of the nation. Bangladesh is currently the second largest ready-made garment manufacturer and exporter in the world, and 9 of the top 10 green garments factories are located here. The greenery of Ghazipur had motivated us to establish our signature factory, Arbella Fashion Limited, in the idyllic town of Bormi in Sreepur, Ghazipur. Arbella, part of the Avant Group, is a 24-line greenfield project. It is a 141,000 square feet, single-shed, state-of-the-art, fully compliant workplace. Registered for LEED certification by the United States Green Building Council, Arbella will achieve 30% less water consumption by using water-saving plumbing fixtures and 30% less electricity consumption by utilizing energy-efficient LED light system, servo motors, and VRF system. As part of the Green Initiative to reduce carbon footprint, 30% of the total area of Arbella will be covered by local plants, which will be accessible to all the workforce. We maintain and recognize a zero-tolerance compliance standard and thus comply with local labor laws, ILO, and customer codes. Arbella will be RSC certified for structural, electrical, and fire safety, as well as RAP and BSCI. Fully automated fire hydrant system, which meets the RSC standard, is installed for the safety of our workforce. Safe drinking water has been ensured for all with a robust RO water filtration system. Top quality VRF system is used to ensure proper ventilation. A 1250 kVA substation with a 650 kVA generator as backup has been set up on the premises to provide seamless power. Arbella will house a 2,500 young, energetic, and skilled workforce that takes pride in being part of this dynamic and vibrant workplace. Arbella's product profile includes culinary uniforms, workwear, functional garments, padded and down jackets, shirts and bottoms. By 2024, the Avant Group will reach a capacity of 9 million pieces with a turnover of $75 million. Arbella's 23,500 square feet storage area can house up to 1.2 million meters of fabrics at any given time. The 10% statistical quality audit inspections, 100% shade and shrinkage segregation enables Arbella to premium quality standards at the very onset of the production process. Under Industry 4.0, as part of digitalization and automation, we use computer-aided design and a high-tech plotter machine with an auto spreader and auto cutter machine aiding in seamless marker making and precise cutting of the fabric. With innovation and continuous improvement at its core, Arbella has adapted to different production systems corresponding to the product and the order quantities, like face-to-face sitting arrangements without center table, smaller lines, a unit hanger system for one-piece movement, and modular lines for very small order quantities. For the comfort and safety of the workforce, we have a fully equipped locker facility, canteen, medical center, and children daycare center. We have invested in a unique and pioneering incineration boiler which uses waste instead of traditional fossil fuel. Arbella's dynamic team has formulated the Avant operating system, which is a through-and-through scientific approach having lean manufacturing culture at its core. It enables us to cover the training and upgrading of soft and practical skills at all levels of the workforce. At Arbella, we not only strive to empower women, but also work to provide a nurturing environment that grooms and creates leaders from amongst them.
আমি কোহিনুর আরবেলাতে অপারেটর হিসেবে জয়েন করি। অপারেটর হিসেবে কাজ করতে করতে প্রসেসগুলো খুব তাড়াতাড়ি শিখে যাই এবং আশেপাশের অপারেটরদেরকেও কাজ শিখতে সাহায্য করি। তখন আরবেলার স্যারেরা আমাকে আরও ভালোভাবে কাজ করার জন্য উৎসাহিত করেন এবং আমাকে বলেন যে তোমার সুপারভাইজার হওয়ার যোগ্যতা আছে। ওনারা আমাকে ট্রেনিংও দেন। ওনাদের উৎসাহ ও ট্রেনিং পেয়ে আমার বিশ্বাস হয় আমি সুপারভাইজার হতে পারবো। এভাবেই আমি আরবেলাতে 9 নম্বর লাইনের সুপারভাইজার হিসাবে কাজ করে যাচ্ছি। শুধু সুপারভাইজার কেন, আরবেলার মতো গার্মেন্টসে চাকরি করেন লাইনশিপ এবং পিএমও হতে পারবো। মেয়েরা কি না পারে।
In partnership with Chefworks, Arbella has formed a community center in Sreepur called Gararon, which means enlightenment. Gararon would act as an important hub for Arbella employees, their families, and the community as a whole. It will focus on the provision of health services, child development, creative and cultural programs, and social activities. Workshops for both children and adults on art, music, dance, computer and technology will be conducted. Through Gararon, we hope to provide a thriving and safe avenue for all and a beneficial and invigorating space where the people can connect, spend quality time together, and live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Empowered by this spirit, Arbella aims to uphold the legacy of the weavers of our land. Establishing and launching a factory in Sreepur is yet another step towards achieving it. So tonight, on this auspicious occasion, in the presence of all the esteemed stakeholders, we welcome you to join us as we embark upon this new journey in knitting kinship.